Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of November 6, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is donuts. If You Give a Dog a Donut, written by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it. The end. Okay, we're going to make a dog and donut like from the story. Your Craft-to-Go kit is a dog template. Let's see here. Here's the tongue. Here's the nose and cheeks. Here are the ears. Here's the head. And here's the body. And of course, here is the donut. Now you'll need a glue stick and also crayons, markers, coloring pencils, paint, whatever you want to do. First thing I'm going to do is color what I'm going to color. I'm going to do the donut and the ears, but I'm going to leave the dog white because the story had the dog as white and I want to leave it like the story, but you can do it however you'd like. I'm going to do brown for the ears. I'm going to do black for the nose. And I'm going to do kind of like an apricot and a pink for the donut. And let's see here, red for the tongue. This is violet red, but red is red to me. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and color the parts and then we'll glue it all together and we'll have our dog. Okay, so I'm just finishing up coloring my donut. And put the crayons away. So now we're gonna glue it all together. And what I did was, for the ears, I did both sides because I'm gonna fold them down. So the first thing I'm gonna do is glue the ears to the back. So let's get some glue out here. few years. When I see it kind of look like a bunny rabbit, I'm gonna fold them down so they're nice and cute. So that's how they're gonna look. Next, I'm gonna glue the nose on in the middle, just so I can get some sense of proportion to it. There's the nose. Here's the tongue. And then I forgot to mention in the Craft-To-Go kit the googly eyes. Stick some glue on the back of that guy. And that one. On. Then I'm going to glue the head to the body. So we're just going to put some glue down here. So the donut wanted to get in on the action there. So there's his head. And stuck to it. And then we're just going to stick his donut right on him. And there it is. There's your dog with a donut.